Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your website using Cpanel. If you purchased any kind of hosting through Host a Nerd, GoDaddy, or any other website out there, what you do is you go to your domain, you go to your hosting, you click on Manage. And once you click on Manage, you can go ahead and click on Cpanel. If you know how to get to the Cpanel, perfect. This is how the Cpanel will look. Once you're inside the Cpanel, you're going to scroll down. You're going to hit where it says WordPress. Once you hit WordPress, it'll bring your applications. So if you have multiple WordPress, if you tap on My Applications, you're going to see multiple websites. If you have multiple websites connected, if not, you're just going to see one. But today we're going to back up one of our sites, which is called My New Spot. This website here, we actually have multiple backups, so you'll be able to see what version your WordPress site is on, how big of a file it is, when it was installed, when it was updated, how many backups you have. So as you can tell here, we only have one backup. So our website's running fine. We actually updated a lot of things on there. So now we're going to click on the little square, and we're going to hit on this little arrow that looks like it's going back, and that is our backup. Once you click on there, you can save it to your web hosting account, or you can add a new backup location. As you can see here, Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon. But we're just going to save it to your web hosting, and we're going to click backup. This process actually doesn't take too long, usually about 5 minutes, depending on how big your website is. Once it's completed, it'll say 100%, and then the new backup date will be on my backups. So we're just going to let this do its thing. I'll be right back. So I haven't really touched the screen, and as you can see here, now you see a 2. That's how many backups we have. I usually like to delete multiple backups. I know a lot of people like to keep up to 3 backups. Since this Cpanel, this hosting package through Host a Nerd, isn't so big and I have 4 websites, I'm just going to go ahead and delete my old backup from here. So as you can tell, this was done September 10th, and this is the backup that we're going to delete. Either way, the version of WordPress is older, so we're not going to be technically able to go one version back. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. Actually, where are you at? There it is. I missed the big X. So we're going to click delete. It's going to ask, hey, do you want to delete? Again, September 10th, definitely want to delete. And it's going to free up 216 megabytes from our server, which is great because our new size folder is actually 352, so it's much bigger. And again, you want to keep your hosting, your Cpanel all tightened up. You don't want to stress it out where it slows down your website. From here, it just goes back to one backup. Last time it was updated and installed. And that is how you back up your website through Cpanel. If you have any other questions or anything on how to do certain things with WordPress or on the hosting packages, go ahead and just leave a comment down below and we will help you out with whatever you need.